You're right, Janet. The butler. The booty butler.
A booty butler. Now we install the booty butler bidet.
It cleans your butt.
It cleans your butt after you.
Take a poop.
Okay.
And see, in America, we don't have these that much. It's just, I'm going to say, it's relatively new. And the reason why I got a booty butler was because I knew that my fiance, at the time, my wife now, was coming to America. And so I knew she would be happy if she had something that would skirt her butt.
Ooh, crazy boy. Crazy boy.
So, here it is. And so we are going to install it today. I have one on the other bathroom. Now we're going to put one in this room. So, here we go. This is the hardware. It's really simple. 10 minutes and it's on. We have the hose for the toilet to the return water, and then from the toilet to the bidet. Gives you everything. Plumber's tape, washers, everything. All you gotta do is put it together. It's very simple. Put it together right quick.
Put together quick.
Membership card. The butt membership.
Butt membership.
Butt membership. They call it the buzz. I call it the butt club. Oh. Instructions.
Okay. Instructions. Okay. So you need to set up everything before I connect, right? Okay. Jerry Springer is so noisy. It's okay. What do you call that, Robert?
Plumber's tape.
So that the water not leaking, right?
Right. This is, you wrap it around. The TV.
It's okay. The gasket. The gasket. Oh yeah, it's okay. Hi, Mecca. Hello. Love, love. Baby. Are you baby? Call baby Robert.
Baby girl. Yeah.
Oh, baby girl. Oh my God.
Down. Now you connect the wire. The
connector.
You connect the hose.
You connect the hose and then
You connect it to, I should just put all this on at one time. This way.
okay.
This going here.
Go in here.
This go on the toilet.
No, that.
This goes on the toilet up top, and this goes here.
Okay. Turn off first the water. What do you call it? T-bulb?
Yeah.
T, yeah.
Connect the T
To the
return to the
flush.
yes.
And then connect to the bidet. Connect down there. It connect now?
Yeah. Hold on. Just turn it on now. We can,
I'll try to connect.
now I'm connecting the bidet to the water source.
Yes! Just a little time.
Okay. Now I'm going to sit down here.
Now the bidet is connect over there. We need now to connect the remove the cover. Now start install the bidet.
And make sure everything is tightened up.
Okay.
Then we
Done. Okay.
now make sure everything is tightened.
Before open. Make sure it's tight. Working now? Yes.
No, everything is good.
Okay.
Okay.
It's fixed. Everything already good.
You get on it. Sit on for it.
So it's ready now. Finish. Tip it up.
Okay, flush it. No, why are you turning it?
Where's the plate?
Just flush it.
You see it?
Okay.
Okay, it's working now. Good. And turn off the water. Just like that.
On.
Okay, guys. Woo! But that's clean water. No worries.